Okay, give me a minute. I am making you the host. And after that, you can just share your presentation shortly. And anybody can talk about that if you want to add some information, more information, or is there any correction, then you just let us know. Okay, it's done. You are the host now.
Okay, sir. Um, Sir, can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's clear enough. We can see. That's really cool. I need this kind of active person in my group, in my team.
Sir, so this is my presentation.
Okay, so it's about Sundarban, one of the
Yes, sir, Sundarban.
World Heritage Site in Bangladesh.
Yes, sir. So this is my first slide. The Sundarban, I have added some pictures.
Yeah, okay, that's really good.
And in the next slide, I have asked a question, what is Sundarban?
In the vast forest in the coastal region of the Bay of Bengal, it was recognized in 1997 as UNESCO a World Heritage Site of Bangladesh. The Sundarban contains the world's largest coastal mangrove forest. That's really awesome. And dear participants, if you have any kind of dispute or if you find any kind of fault or mistake on the topic, you must share. Okay, you please carry on.
Okay, sir. And then I have give the location of Sundarban.
Okay, and you can use here a good type of photo. That means a map is really important. Actually, if
Okay, sir, I will
somebody,
change the map.
yeah, if someone, if a foreigner or if an American try to find out Sundarban, definitely they will search the map. That means where the Sundarban is located. And
Yes, sir,
this content, this picture must be clear enough so that through the map you can show them this is Bangladesh and this is the position. And you know that it's between, there is a division between two countries. One is India, one is Bangladesh. I think half of the Sundarban is ours and half of the Sundarban is there. So I think you have to change this picture. Okay,
Okay,
that's
sir, I will
uh,
change
let
this
me
picture later.
let me see the just your information. It is located in the delta region of the Podda, the Meghna, and the Brahmaputra river basin. That's really cool. Nearest cities: Khulna, Satkhira, Bagherhat district of Bangladesh, and South 24 Parganas and North 24 Parganas district of West Bengal, India. That's really good. Thank you. You can
Okay,
go
sir,
ahead.
and this is my next slide. What
What
is
is,
Sundarban famous
yeah,
for?
you need to change the spelling. You can see here there is a spelling
Oh,
mistakes
sir,
in,
sorry,
yeah,
sorry.
yeah. You can do it.
Okay,
No,
sir,
you
I will
don't need to
change in the
tell
report.
sorry. Sometime it can happen. One of the, okay, one of the largest reserve for the Royal Bengal tigers. You can also mention the number of the Royal Bengal tigers in Bangladesh at present.
Oh,
It's really
sir,
important. Yes.
I made another slide
Okay, okay, got it.
with the numbers.
Okay. Uh, Biosphere Reserve, it is a national park. Okay, move on.
The Sundarban's flora.
Yeah, flora. The Sundarbans flora is characterized by the abundance of Sundari, Gawa, Golpata, and Kaura. Move on.
Now the Sundarban's fauna.
Sundarbans fauna, the animals of particular region, habitat, or geographical period. Okay. Numbers of tigers. The Sundarban is home to
Yes,
over 100 Bengal tigers, one of the largest single population of tigers in one area. Okay, that's an important information. Then move on.
and now the benefits of Sundarban.
Benefits. Okay, that's really cool. Against erosion, reducing flood, act as a storm barrier, coastal protection, provide buffer zone. Do you have any negative sides you have mentioned or the effects on Sundarban, negative effects on Sundarban? That means people are
No, sir, I
damaging Sundarban.
didn't.
You must, because actually this is our World Heritage Site, but we are doing a lot of harm to the this Sundarban. That means we are killing the animals, we are cutting down the forest. There are so many bad things that is going on. So you must just add this slide, okay? That
Oh,
means
sir, I will
what is
add
the
another
present
slide.
status and what the harms already been done. You must add. Thank you so much, Nafis. I'm really impressed. Thank you so much.
Sir, there is
Oh,
more.
oh, there is more. There are more. So you can share.
Honey and beeswax.
Yes, it's really important information. That means, as far as I know, that means most of the demand of honey that that is just done or collect from the Sundarban all over the country. That means the demand of the honey, it's fulfilled through this Sundarban.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Should I go ahead?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
The goal path of Sundarban.
Yes, this is another important part. This trees just stand underwater. It has a special capacity. It can endure itself in water. So that's a good thing. Okay, carry on.
Yes. Now fishes, prawns, and shells.
Okay.
The fishing part.
Okay, you must remember you have done really well. I think you have some passion. So whenever you will present this slide, you have to discuss in details. Okay, at least one
Okay,
slide,
sir.
a half minute you need to describe. I don't need to try read the same line. In your way, you will just describe. Tourist spot, then next.
Sir, it is done.
Okay, thank you. There are so many slides. How many slides? 10?
Sir, there is 13.
Okay, you can just give me the hosting back. I think
Okay,
you
sir.
have to work on it. All the things done, only just the negative side or just the effects on Sundarban. That means the harm the human being are doing to this Sundarban or to its animals. You need to mention. You need to add one more slide, but try to cut it short. I think try to make the slide number not more than 7 or 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So anybody who wants to share something, what you are doing or what you are preparing, anybody here, just like Nihal, you know that we have a program with an American institution, Summit Technology. This is a research type institution. There are so many types of research going on there. So they are our old partner, and we have a program with them, Zoom session on 1st March and 3rd March, two program back to back. The first one we will introduce with each other. It's a new group, and we will in just talk about this topic, their heritage side, our heritage side. On that day, I think we don't have enough time to represent all those slides. But 3rd March, we will work on this representing slides, or we will have some online presentation. So would you like to share something, anybody? I think you are still working on it. I think it's late at night, so we need to Fardin, yes, Fardin. What you want to say, you can start.
Sir, Nehal has chosen the Sundarban, so can you suggest me a heritage site where I can work on?
Yeah, you can rest of the two. You have two options. One is Sompur Bihar, another is Shat Gumbuz Masjid.
Okay, thank you for the suggestion.
Okay. So if you have anything to say, you can ask or you can share. Otherwise, I will just end up the session right now. It's late at night, 10.
Still working on it, but they have also said about the natural beauty side of Bangladesh. So, what should we do about this natural tourist spot? You know,
What did you say?
that tourist spot as well.
Yeah, tourist
Not
spot. We
only
will.
just the
Yeah,
work
we have
business
so many
side.
tourist spots: Saint Martin, Cox's Bazar, Rangamati,
Okay.
Bandarban. We will also
Mm.
mention these places. And we have the largest sea
Okay.
beach, the biggest sea beach of the world. We have only one coral island, so we must just share this information with them. Anything else? Okay, I think nothing else. So goodbye, everyone, and happy Thursday. See you again in my next session. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Assalamu
Hafiz.
alaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Alaikum assalam.